Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome and super fast fried bread. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my recipes. First of all, let's grate 70 grams of cheese. Then let's cut some pieces of dill. You can also use onions. Then, in a bowl, crack 4 eggs, some salt and pepper. Then add 100 milliliters of milk and mix it very well. Add into the eggs the cheese, mix it, and then add the dill. And put all of this into a bigger bowl. Then add the cut bread. You can use any type of bread. Let this sit for about 5 minutes. Then turn them around and add the cheese on top. And let them sit for about 3 minutes. After that, you should fry them both sides, and this will be it. And don't forget to use all of the cheese. When it's all done, you can plate it and eat it with a soup or however you want. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.